Hey guys, welcome back to Kane Custom Garage. I got me a fancy selfie stick now, so it's a little easier to film. Whoa, this is crazy. And yeah, I just use Christina's phone for all this, which is pretty amazing. The film quality for on these cameras, on the phones. But anyways. Tonight I wanted to do a little video. I got a little chainsaw that I got off of eBay, and I thought I'd do a little unboxing. So that'll be cool. It's this, there's this lady on eBay. She's got like 10 tons of chainsaws on there. I don't know if she bought out an estate or what, but she's probably got like a couple hundred chainsaws on there, and she's had them on there for months. I think her name's like Ladybug or something like that. And most of her prices are pretty reasonable, but her packaging is questionable sometimes, so we'll see. I've gotten a few saws from her. I'll show to you in some more videos, but anyways, yeah, just trying to get used to the selfie thing. Whoa, freaky. Yeah, that's pretty cool. A lot easier than trying to hold it with your hand. So yeah, and then I don't know if you guys noticed, but I've been posting a couple of older videos that we had on another YouTube channel. I was trying to consolidate everything because back in the day we were just using YouTube as a tool for putting videos on eBay to sell chainsaws, and so we had, I don't know why, but we had like 2 different channels and it was all screwed up, so we had to consolidate them all. So that's what those older videos are that you're seeing. So anyways, let me get this camera set up and we'll do some unboxing. Okay, here we go. Here it is, the big brown box. I can hear it flopping around in there. Let's see here. So yeah, she has lots of old chainsaws on there, and I always try to buy the cheaper ones because I'm cheap and I don't have tons of money to spend. So this chainsaw, I think I got it for like 25 bucks plus $28 shipping, and that's not bad. She's like clear back in New Jersey or something like that. So anyways, it was a cool little saw. And it looked like it would clean up really well. So let's take a look. Wow, they left the barn chain and everything on it. There it is. Ooh, the green. The green Poulan. Look at that bad boy. There she is. Yeah, I thought this would be a neat little saw. It's sort of an interesting one because it's a counter vibe one. See, it has the anti-vibe mounts on it, which you don't see. I've never seen one like that. I'm sure you guys probably have, but oh, it turns over. The carburetor is just flopping around on there, but that's not that big of a deal. I mean, it's fairly complete. It's just missing the top cover and the air filter and all that, but look how nice the graphics are on that thing. I bet you that'd clean up nice. It's just a little greasy. Oh yeah, that's gonna clean up nice. Look at that. That's gonna be a cute little saw. It even has a roller nose bar and chain on it. And the chain actually looks pretty decent. So yeah, that's cool. Nice. Yeah, the motor feels really good. Nice. Let's see what this side looks like. Yeah, that's one thing I saw on this. I noticed on this saw, it actually under all the grease, it looks like it's fairly clean. So yeah, that'll be a neat little saw. You guys see that bad boy okay? Whoops. I pushed the stop button, sorry. Yeah, look at that. The old Poulan counter vibe. That'll be a cool one to clean up and get running. So now I have the counter vibe version. And then I got here's the regular version over here. The non-counter vibe version. So yeah, that's cool. How'd they make the front of that counter vibe? Oh, I see. It just has a little rubber mount right there. Right there. Huh. And then this one's solid mounted. Interesting. Cool. So yeah, we'll clean that baby up and then we'll have a nice little pair. Alrighty, well, that's my little video for tonight. Here, let's see what happens when we flip this around. Will it flip on me? Oh, hold on. I'll flip it. There. There I am. So yeah, that's our video for tonight. I hope you enjoyed our little evening video of the unboxing of the little Poulan chainsaw. And be sure to give me some likes and subscribes. Push the little bell button to get your notifications. So when I put out another video, you'll know. And then I also have this this snowblower behind me. Where is it? There she is. The snowblower over my shoulder. I got it all back together. We're going to be finishing up that video. And hopefully it snows tonight, so maybe we can actually test it out. And then here's another little project that a buddy of mine brought in. Wants me to see if he can get it running. No, not my car. That thing, the Rokon. It's one of those Rokon two-wheel drive. Well, let me flip this around so you can see it. Hold on. There. The Rokon. It's a funky little trail bike. It has a chain. It has a chain on the front and one on the rear, so both wheels drive. And it just has like a little oh, what do they call them? Super B motors, or the AH47 or something like that, but it's basically just a chainsaw engine on it. But yeah, interesting little project, so we'll do a video on that too. So anyways, there I am again. I gotta flip it around. Jeez, I gotta get used to this thing. Okay guys, that's it for tonight. Bye.